Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily replace one legible string to another. That means backquote to $parenthesis model. For that I open up empty buffer or empty file. Okay, once I get into that file, say I write a variable name. This is a variable, okay, and assigned it like old way, backquote. This is going to change, ended up with a backquote, right? Simple. Say you have so many backquotes in the in the old shell script, most of them you find on internet, all use this kind of pattern, and this is absolutely fine, very legal, very optimized, absolutely no problem with this. The only concern is that it will help, the modern one will help you to recognize it, the glitches quickly. The modern version of backcode is dollar parenthesis. The variable value should be written in between the parentheses. Okay, so to do that automatically, all I have to do, I have to go escape, go to the go to the normal mode, then leader CQ. See, it has changed to dollar parenthesis from backquote. Simple. So how this happened? For that we need to put an entry in the vmercy file. Okay, so the code will look like this. Look at the left pen, my cursor moving there, you can check it. I'm mapping it to leader, in my case is semicolon, and then CQ in quick succession. What it does is basically call up a set function from the command line or ex mode, whatever you say. Okay, and it looking for a backquote, okay, which will get replaced by the dollar parenthesis. This one signifies the previously matched string. Okay, it's a mechanism to store the use the same stuff in regex. Okay, and it replaces it in global way. For that, for as I shown to you that there might be thousands of lines and it is not feasible to do everything by hand, like this kind, because it leads to a error stuff. If you miss out one quote, the entire stuff get messed up, right? Hunting down is will not be a pleasant thing to do for such a trivial thing. So the trivial thing has to be dashed away with some rudimentary stuff. This is the rudimentary stuff, calling set from the X command line and bounded to key which can be pressed in quick succession. Okay, this is as simple as you get. I hope this will be useful to you. Thanks for watching.